All right. Of course, our Brad Broders has been out in Port Arthur, and we've seen things changing slowly for him out there, getting a little bit more intense as he's out checking out the forecast out there.
It has been. And Brad, you just got done talking with Mayor Thurman Bartee. What did he have to say?
Yeah, good morning, Nick and Tracy. Mayor Bartee really asked the residents of Port Arthur to hunker down for the time being as these winds and rains continue to howl around Port Arthur. He also makes sure that once this rain passes, to make sure people really look out for any pockets of flash flooding and really those roads that might be impassable for the time being. He reiterates to don't drown, turn around, and be extra careful in the coming hours. Now, as for the last couple of minutes, rain and wind continue to come down pretty hard right now. The wind's picking up here and there. The rain, not too bad right now, but you can see pockets of precipitation really kind of swirling as these winds are really picking up in the last 30 minutes. But we're continuing to monitor the situation. We're going to head over to the seawall once the sun rises in a couple of minutes to get a sense of what's going on over there. But for now, excuse me. The pockets of rain and pockets of wind continue. They've been going pretty hard since 3 o'clock. If you're just joining us, I've been here since 3 o'clock this morning, and it's been pretty heavy. And about 4 or 5 is when it really started coming across. Earlier today, we really kind of felt the extra gust as the system really kind of moved over this particular area. Mayor Bartee is obviously concerned about flash flooding going into today and into tomorrow when that rain is expected to clear out of here. But for the time being, between now and Wednesday, he's concerned about potential pockets of flash flooding. I can tell you in the last couple of minutes, it appears the rain has kind of died down a little bit. The winds have sort of died down a little bit. But every couple of minutes, you can still feel a pretty big gust. I think one's kind of coming around like right now. And when that happens, you can really see these trees whipping around. You can see the precipitation swirling around. So we're underneath the downtown pavilion, but when the storm was really at its peak about an hour ago, you could really, there's some overhead shelter, but it felt like we were just out in the elements. It was coming down that hard. The winds were that intense. So, Nick and Tracy, I'm going to send it back to you live from Port Arthur.